This is the SM200 Thin-Film Thickness Mapper. Open the box. We take it out. Here is our instrument. This is our sample stage, power cable, standard silicon wafer, and optical fiber. We will connect the optical fiber. This is our Y-type optical fiber. Connect power. After connecting the optical fiber and power, turn on the switch, turn on our deuterium-halogen combination lamp. Then connect this cable to link the instrument with the PC. Now the instrument is activated. We can start testing. First, place the sample under the collimating lens. The USB cable is connected. Open the software. The green dot displayed on the software indicates connection is successful. Next, we can use the software to perform our measurements. Click on calibration. Enter the integration time and the film thickness of the sample to perform calibration. After the calibration completed prompt, we can edit the configuration. Click on Edit Configuration. Enter the expected film thickness and deviation value. Then click on Algorithm Settings. Select the appropriate algorithm settings. For 30s film thickness, we select the fitting method. We can also set alarms and the integration time for data collection. After saving the settings, save the model. Then, you can start measuring. The measurement values will appear. Click the drop-down box to select the edited configuration for measurement. Click on History Records. We can see all our measurement results. Then we can filter based on time and configuration name.